Hi guys, meteorologist Craig Moeller here from 13 News Now, talking to you about the big changes coming up with the weather. It has been some kind of stretch that we've had lots and lots of heat for several days, and I'll show you just how hot it's been in just a moment. We've had cloudy skies this morning, showers and storms already. That's out ahead of a cold front. That cold front is going to bring chances for storms, some heavy rain, but it's also providing some much needed relief from the heat. So I'm going to discuss the good and the bad with this cold front coming through, what the threats are. You'll notice folks out this morning, now that we're getting a little lull in the action, and we had some strong storms this morning, but we're getting a little bit of a lull through the mid-morning hours, so some folks taking advantage of that. There will be more storms coming up later this afternoon and this evening. You look at the temperatures over the past week, and here's what I really want to direct your attention to. Well, Friday, it was so humid, and it's been so hot, upper 90s Wednesday and Thursday. Friday, mid 90s, but it still felt like it was up around 110 with the heat index values. And then 3 days of 100-degree afternoon highs here at Norfolk. So it's been extremely hot, as you know, and that heat really was all of last week as well. The cold front that's coming through changes all of that, so that's one of the big benefits. One of the problems with this front coming through is that we have the potential for severe weather. There's a level 1, a marginal risk from the eastern shore across parts of the middle peninsula, and then the western parts of the south side out towards I-95. So that's a level 1 threat. You come south side, this includes Virginia Beach, Norfolk, Chesapeake, basically from right around Portsmouth south and southern Suffolk down through North Carolina. We have a level 2 or a slight risk for severe weather. We could see a watch go into place this afternoon and into the early evening, as that's the time that's most likely for the storms to develop. And I'll show you our Futurecast on that in just a moment. So why the threat of storms? Why the relief? Well, we've got a cold front coming through, and you can see this front right here draped across the area, the wind shifting to the northwest. A lot of rain off to the north. Remember, we need the rain. So far this year, Norfolk is about 1.1 inches below average, so we're dry, and many other parts of Hampton Roads and into North Carolina even drier than that. So the heavy rain that's coming, that's a good thing. That's a benefit. You hate to see the severe storm potential, but we do need the heavy rain, and there could be so much that comes so quickly. There could be some issues, certainly urban and small stream flooding, a possibility, and even in the rural areas, we'll need to watch for some potential flash flooding. Here's a look at what has become Tropical Depression number 3. This is not really a threat to the southeast U.S. Ordinarily, you might be thinking, well, hey, how close is this going to get? Could it intensify? But with this cold front coming through, another benefit of this front is that it's going to pick it up and steer it off to the east-northeast before it has much time to develop. This is going to be a pretty hostile environment, and it will accelerate with that front dropping into the area. So there's Depression number 3, again, expected to come close, that center to the southern Outer Banks, and it's just not going to get that much stronger. It should shoot off very quickly off to the east-northeast. Take a look at our Futurecast. So we do have storms coming up this afternoon. We want you to know about that. I think some isolated showers, certainly a possibility late morning and into the early afternoon. But here it is, 2:15. You see more of the storms lining up to the northwest as that front sets up right here across the region. That's going to be a focus for heavy downpours, potential severe storms with gusty winds associated with that. Look at this intense development. This is 6:15. You can bet we'll have our hands full here at 13 News Now, tracking all of this for you through the evening. You'll definitely want to stay up on that and tune in if you're able. We'll keep you updated online as well. Now, looking ahead, more rain as we head into the evening. This stuff will pull away. Some isolated showers still possible overnight and into early Wednesday. You see that activity there, but the big news, much, much cooler weather. So what can you expect? Temperatures today, lower 80s, will be in the low to mid 80s. Chance for those isolated showers on Wednesday. Basically, once we're done with those storms later this afternoon and tonight, things get a lot better. Thursday, partly sunny, and then into your weekend, mostly sunny skies, temperatures in the mid-80s. We'll keep you updated. Stay tuned to 13 News Now and right here for more updates.